Citizenship Award. Okay, my Psych Ward awards are Jasmine Delgado, Ashley Gomez, Joshua Hagler, and I have to mention that Bianca Stand Up has reached 1,000 words. Jordan McClain, Andrea Morales, Bailey Smith, and Evelia Trenti.
Okay, for Mrs.